Hi, we are in downtown Halifax today, taking a walk on Barrington Street, looking at some old and interesting places and churches. Lieutenant Governor's house, the Queens represents St. Matthew's Church. This is the entrance to the old burying ground. You can see headstones behind the fence. British General Robert Ross, who burned the White House in 1814, is buried there. Catholic St. Mary's Basilica, beautiful building inside and outside. Now we are back on Barrington Street. On the left here is my favorite art supply store. We have art galleries here, lots of cafes, restaurants, little shops, big stores, new condo buildings. This is the oldest Protestant church in Canada and the oldest building in Halifax, St. Paul's Church. You can see the beautiful mural on the side of the building. And this is our City Hall on the Grand Parade. And if you go up those stairs, it's Argyle Street, which is famous for bars and restaurants in Halifax. And you can also see a beautiful town clock on the hill, and behind it was Citadel, a historic site. A very interesting place to visit. So yes, this is the City Hall. And down here from Barrington Street is a beautiful Halifax waterfront, which you can't see right now because it's foggy. And we will go back. At the end of the Barrington Street is a train station and a bus station, playground for children, Western Hotel, which is a great place to stay for families. Also nice supermarket just behind us. If you have any questions, please let me know and like my video.